The Master and His Emissary is a book which asserts that different hemispheres of the brain have had differing degrees of influence throughout human history. He starts off the book by explaining the different functions of the hemispheres of the brain. He says, on the one hand, the left hemisphere focuses on mathematics or logical or analytical thinking, or even long-term planning. On the right side of the brain, or the right hemisphere, it is exploratory thinking, creativity, such as like art or poetry. He then argues that these hemispheres have had varying degrees of influence throughout human history. So on the one hand, he says that during the Renaissance era, we had a lot of right hemisphere dominance. We had a lot of artists, a lot of exploration, and a lot of new concepts. But on the other hand, when we began to engage in industrialization, the left hemisphere began to dominate because we focused on technological innovation and rationality. He also argues that imbalances are really bad in this book, and he thinks that we have been engaged in the left hemisphere for far too long, or that the left hemisphere has been basically dominant throughout modern human history. Our focus on industrialization has led us to be disconnected from nature, and not focus on balance or ecological sustainability.